green motorcycle. White male, white hat. We just took a side street, I'm not sure what it was. Taking road 169. Correction, address 169. Just goes back in the backfield. I'm about 10-20 to it. Good work. Do what?
That'll come out up there, over there, one.
Okay.
He could come out on the highway.
You know who it was?
Oh, no, we don't know who it is.
The landowners here said it comes back on the highway. I'm gonna head back that way. It was Misty Lane that he was on. Just be advised, I had a green dirt bike just run for me on Misty Lane. Lost him out there in the woods. He turned on 120. You seen a green dirt bike run back through here? Oh, thank you. He's from here because he knew exactly where that was. Yep. Yeah, he knew it.
123 dispatch on me. 1019 as well. Responding unit. The owners had said this jumps back out on 167. Yeah, 10-4. He jumped on me and went through a trail that I couldn't fit down. Here you big boy. hear you. Hey, how are you?
I was like, I'm really gonna talk to Jess.
Y'all don't know who that was?
I was in the bedroom and I heard your sirens and then I heard Trevor yell.
I knew exactly what was going on.
I knew as soon as he turned down here, he knew where he was going, so he's from here.
I knew exactly what was going on when I heard you.
Well, I think he shut it off when he got down there.
Probably so. I don't know though. I mean, you're welcome to walk.
Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. I've got other units on their way out here too.
So back there where he pulled in,
Yeah.
you just go straight back there. It'll kind of hit like a 90-degree turn, or you can keep going straight. And then if you go straight, that can come out in that field right there along the highway.
Okay.
Or, you know those 3 bridges right there?
Yeah, that's where he was at.
Yeah, it can come out on those 3 bridges.
I bet he's heading back up there.
Or, yeah, I mean, that's about the only place you can come out of there.
Well, for him to go down there right where it's at, he knew exactly where it was because that's where he was headed.
Yeah. Like I said, yeah, you're welcome to go walk it. He thought the same thing. He said it didn't sound like he kept going. It sounded like he shut it off.
Yeah, he did. That's why I turned my sirens off. Hopefully he would quit. Because we can block him in down here.
Do you know you have glasses right here?
Oh, those are mine. Don't know how they stayed there. $13 Newport.
313.
I'm gonna be out at the address on Misty Lane where he gets off in the woods. He sounded like he shut it off when he got out there in the woods, and he heard me turn my siren off. 13 county units. 18. If you'll hit on 167 and stay out there, I'm gonna walk the woods. It sounded like he shut off his bike when I got out here. Easy, girl. Easy, 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 easy. 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 Oh, I hear you. Hey, girl. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. There it is. He just jumped back up. He's into 167.
Really?
Yeah. Easy, easy.
Leave him alone. Stop.
And the jackpot keeps growing until there's a winner. Join the fun and
Unknown at this.
County, as soon as I got close to him, he took back off. Sounded like he was heading to 167.
10-4 on foot or dirt bike.
He's on the bike. It's a green, bright green dirt bike. No LPM.
B13, it's a good possibility that it's James Johns. He's wanted. He's been staying at 320 Antioch.
10-4. He come up behind me there at Sandtown on the right shoulder.
I'm going to be out of the residence up here at 6200 block of North St. Bud here by Coach Lane, seeing if they seen somebody.
Say 12 no 4. Say 10-6. Restart my computer.
Did y'all see a green dirt bike come through here?
Green dirt bike?
Yeah.
No, but I did see an officer pulled over right up here.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
B13, he hadn't come back out over here way yet. I'm going to go down Coots Lane.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm right behind you. Hey, how are you?
Come on in.
Hey, no, do y'all care if I go in y'all's backfield? I had a guy just run from me, and I think he's back there in the backside of the property.
Hey, then where do you need to go? You just have at it.
All right, thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, I just stepped on another place. Yeah, I'm gonna jump back over to where I lost him at and walk all the way in there now. Because he started up and I took off. Yeah, to the north. I think it was 169. Yeah, on the left. I'm 10-4. It was a tan shirt and he had a black hat with a black face mask. Hope this horse won't attack me. I'll be over. I'm gonna go back in the woods where he was at. If he just shut it off as soon as he heard us drive by y'all in sirens. Easy, horse. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, guys, easy.
Texas bad.
Yeah, I got them all over me already.
That over there?
Yeah.
It's really bad.
Yeah.
Well, if you ride a horse through there and my pants like that, Jimmy Bush will get along the back.
Yeah.
But boy, them taste surfaces that ticks is really bad.
Yeah, they are. Thank you, sir. I'm going to go back over here where I lost him.
Okay, you're welcome.
Huh?
Dispatch 130. Go ahead. Since you're up that way, we have a call for a subject that wants to meet with a deputy. He's going to meet at B-Rock. Christian to B-Rock, probably at 5 o'clock. Subject wearing a blue shirt, blue pants, black shoes. Wants to talk to the deputy about some criminal activity. B-Rock office. See you there? 10-4. dispatch 126. I don't know if they'll be in position. We had a caller who was around the 500 block of Mountain View Road on Highway 14, the Shea area, who was saying that there was a black SUV, possibly a Tahoe with large tires that almost hit them head on, but they were headed towards Mountain View.
Ah, I hate getting 600. Oh, no more. I lost my. Yep. Lost my place. Come on, put them there. Good, thank goodness.